So here is a quick guide on how to create AI videos for TikTok. In this tutorial, we will be using InVideo AI to quickly generate short-form videos. Click on my link below to try InVideo AI for free. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be brought to this page. And after signing in, this is the prompt box you will see. If you click on AI Twins, you will get to see all of these options that you can choose from for avatar and for voice. And on the bottom here, you can choose from create short video and the other options. So here, let's select create a fast-paced video for TikTok, and then on the about section, just type in the topic that you want. For example, top 5 AI tools that will save you hours. Then on settings, you can choose from any of these options. For example, background. You can describe the type of background music you want. For example, energetic. Then you can set the language for your video. Here, we'll just keep it on English. You can also add subtitles. Then, from the options here, choose the kind of subtitles that you want. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. We also have the voice actors, watermark text, music preference, stock or generative. Once done, just click on Proceed. Now, just check your prompt and click on Generate My Video. After that, it will start processing your prompt. Then, on this part, you need to set the duration for your video. After that, set the platform, for example, TikTok. Then choose the media type from these options. Keep in mind that you will need a subscription plan for using the pro versions. But for now, I will go with the basic one, which will only use stock media. Once done, just click on Generate. And as you can see, the video is now being generated. Give it some time to get done. Once done, just click on the play button to check out the video.
I'm sure you've heard the news. AI is changing everything. But these 5 tools, game changers. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to win back your week. Tool 1, Auto Summarizer. Turn long doc.
It only used stock media, but it turned out really well. Now, if you click on Edit and Download on the bottom, you can type in any changes that you want to the video right here in the prompt box, and then just run your command. You can also go over to edit any of these segments. Once done, just click on Download and the video will be downloaded onto your device. And that's it. That is exactly how to create AI video for TikTok.